The most common symptoms have to do with ability to focus and concentrate, or sustain focus in an environment such as school. The other common symptoms have to do with ability to think clearly and quickly. People often tell me that they feel foggy, so you may find that it's hard for you to focus and think things through in a quick manner. You might find yourself slow to speak or slow to complete tasks. You might find that you're not multitasking as quickly as you did before. And you might find that you're becoming easily distracted and that it's hard for you to plan or organize tasks that you have to do during the day. But overall, you might simply notice that you're getting more fatigued throughout the day and you don't feel that you have as much energy at the end of the day as you did before the concussion.